Sir gave us a topic that the why is the confidence and stage daring is important in our life. So each and every phase of our life, the confidence matters because in the student life, there will be a lot of things. There will be a lot of stage performance or our showing interest programs, which will need to we have to do as a means a confident person. If we are a confident student, so definitely we will going to put forward our thoughts, put forward our interest in front of the students, in front of our teacher. So that's why the confidence is very much matter to showing our skill, to performing ourself in front of us. And by these skills we know ourselves that I can do this, I can do this type of things, and I am a unique person, and I can do anything whichever I have to follow in my life. So that's why the confidence is very much important. The stage daring as well as important because you know that there are a lot of stage in front of us in the student life. If we are saying about the schools, there are gatherings, there are some speech programs, will be in the gathering, there will be we can show our natya means natya skill or performing skill like speech skill. If we have a stage daring, so we can do any type of things like this. So these are the things which are matter. But the second thing is that how we will complete those things, or if we are shy person, so how we will follow this. So for that there will be a stage daring classes, confidence classes, like that. The speaking is one of the type of this type of tool which where we can follow this thing. So definitely we will be a confident person if we are doing the speaking classes. Then whatever happening with us, that the sir gave us a chance to giving the rounds in front of your class. Then after sir told to you that you should come in another batch, there will you show your confidence. So you build your confidence day by day because you see a lot of new faces in front of you, and that time your confidence will be increased that I can speak in front of them also. So automatically day by day, if you follow each and every rule of confidence, so definitely you can do this very well. So there are the steps. Every one person after his birth, we will be not or she will be not a completed person. But we have to learn, we have to take those skills in us, and we should follow our interest, which are needy things we should do as a student life, as a person. Because when the success means not you are earning money, a lot of money, it's not a success, but you should follow your interest. You can speak English, Hindi, Marathi, whichever needy language. You can connect with the peoples know by your skills that yes, he is a very good dancer, he is very good speaker, he has